Waiting for Uber. It's 1 minute away. Then I'm heading home. I'm done with my workouts. Obviously, I didn't vlog that today because I'm always vlogging that. So yeah. So yeah. Today's the 6th of October. The last time I spoke to you guys was last week. After doing, yeah, I think this was last week. Anyways, let me not talk too much, guys. Today we're gonna be waxing. My underarms are it's not giving. Yeah, they're not giving. Anyways, sorry if you're eating, but let's do this. I never waxed myself before, but I've waxed someone else, so I'm gonna try this with you guys on camera and see how it's gonna be. Okay, so I'm not about to wax myself while I'm sober. I'm having this red wine. I think this is the second glass now, so I should be fine. I should be fine. Yeah, so I got this kit from Takealot. It is a waxing kit. You can just check it out. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with this pre-wax treatment. Just two. Okay, then I'm gonna move on with this baby powder. You can get this from Pep, anyway, where they sell baby stuff. I think that's enough, nice, you know. Do it, girl. Do it. I know you're strong. You're very strong, girl. You can do this. This is the first one. It did not come out like the way I thought it would. Yeah, no, I've cleaned myself. Let's try the other one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with this after wax treatment spray. I'm not sure if I should start with this after wax treatment spray or this one because they are two, but yeah, they are not out yet. I need to apply again because I don't understand how, what type of hair do I have? What type of hard hair is this? So I didn't come out. This side is better. Yeah, this side I tried. Okay guys, so next time I'm gonna be trying the hard wax because this one, it is not working for me. It did not work for me, honestly. But anyways, me and my failed wax attempt. We'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.